Hello and welcome back, guys. Here is the part 2 of the video as I promised. So as you can see here, I'm making my meringue again. This time I'm so excited and positive that this is going to come out well because yes, I went to do more research and find out what happened, what went wrong, what steps I missed, what step I missed in my first one. So this time around I got a stiff peak meringue. Yeah, when you turn your bowl upside down, your meringue should still remain standing. Okay, so next I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. I've mixed in my almond flour and my icing sugar, and I'm just folding it in. So I repeated the process until I finished folding everything, and you keep doing this folding process because there's something you need to note before you stop, and that is when you can comfortably form an S shape, as you can see here. Yes. I got to this time around, I poured it into my piping bag, and this time I still did not have baking paper, so I used a pan liner. So guys, what happened is that there's a step I did not also do in the first one. You leave your macaron for like about 20 minutes to settle down after tapping before you put it in the oven. Here is the result. It is better than the last one, and you can see the bottom. Yeah, the bottom came out nice. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a thing or two.